Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will talk about poverty as a challenge. In previous video, we discussed about what is poverty, why it is a challenge, where we find poverty in our country. Let's proceed further. Poverty as seen by social scientists. Here, we can see poverty or analysis of poverty is based on two ways. One is social exclusion and another one is vulnerability. Now, social exclusion. Social exclusion is a complex and multi-dimensional process. Here, poverty is deprivation due to a lack of resources, both material and non-material. For example, income, housing, health, education, knowledge and culture. Social exclusion is a being unable to participate in a society because of a lack of resources that are normally available to the general population. Dalit and tribal caste people cannot participate in upper caste functions like marriage, birthday functions, etc. Second one is vulnerability. On the other hand, poverty is based on vulnerability. It means an individual is vulnerable to poverty when she or he is at risk of becoming poor. Vulnerability poverty can be caused by a range of factors such as divorce, death of a family head, illness, or natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, terrorisms, and nowadays COVID-19, or loss of jobs. Poverty line. What is meaning of poverty line? It is an imaginary line. Poverty line is a cut-off point on the line of distribution which usually divides the population of the country as poor and non-poor. People having income below the poverty line are called poor, and people with income above the poverty line are called non-poor. How can we recognize poor and non-poor? Poor and non-poor can be recognized through the income and consumption of a person. For example, a person is considered poor if his or her income or consumption level fall below a given minimum level necessary to fulfill the basic needs. On the other hand, poverty line is different from country to country. For example, a person not having a car in United States may be considered poor. In India, owning a car still considered a luxury. Who conduct the survey of poverty in India? NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, conducts the survey of the poverty in India. The survey is conducted in every 5 years. However, for making comparison between developing countries, many international organizations like World Bank use a uniform standard for the poverty line. Minimum available of the equivalent of $1.90 per person per day in 2011 PPP. On the basis of poverty line calculation, the year 2011 to 2012, the poverty line for a person was fixed at Rs 816 per month for rural area and the 1000 per urban area. Why higher amount is fixed for urban area despite less calories compared to the rural area? Because the cost of essential product is high in urban area compared to the rural area. It is economic based calculation of relative poverty with the average standard of living used as a reference point. This table indicates about the poverty ratio in 1993 to 2012 in India. Here, in India, about 45% in 1993 to 94 to 37.2% in 2004 to 2005, and proportion of people below the poverty line further came down to about 22% in 2011 to 2012. If that trend continue, people below the poverty line may come down gradually. Our national father Mahatma Gandhi always insisted that India would be truly independent only when the poorest of the people become free of human suffering. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.